Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an awesome design project made entirely with Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to walk you through each step from the initial sketches to the final polished design. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, this tutorial has something for everyone. Watch as we explore Illustrator's tools and tricks, uncovering tips to make your designs pop and your workflow smoother. By the end of this video, you'll have a beautiful new design and some fresh techniques to try out on your own. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're always updated with our latest content. And if you've got any questions or need help, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. So, what are you waiting for? Watch the full tutorial now and get started on creating your own stunning designs. Did you enjoy this? If you did, you're in for a treat. Today's tutorial covers an amazing design project created entirely with Adobe Illustrator. I'll take you through every step from the initial sketches to the final, polished piece. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, there's something here for everyone. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Got questions or need more tips? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. See you, guys, in the next video. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired.